So here I am logged into the OpenMind web application as a basic user. Within our system we have 3 different roles and these make up our different users. So we have our basic user, our team leader and our super user. So I will be going through the basic user and its functionality. It is in the name, so it has all the basic functionalities within the system. So to start off, I am logged into the system and I've been given this basic functionality. I am on the home page or the landing page, and if I scroll down I just see that this page shows a brief overview of the system and what it entails. To the left hand side of the screen we have our navigation bar. I can collapse my navigation bar as well as expand it for better viewing. So if I click on the first item on our nav bar, the About Us item, we just have a general About Us page that speaks about why the OpenMind application was developed and the basic categories that we have for each goal and also the team activities. Next, if I click on the Progress Dashboard item, we see the dashboard for my specific user. So I can see the number of goals that I have completed in the pie chart. It shows me that I have 1 fitness goal which I have completed if I hover over the pie chart, and it also shows that I have a health goal completed if I hover on the right hand side of the pie chart. And as I complete more goals, I will have more colors on the pie chart and also a higher number of goals recorded. Next, under this activities panel, I can click on leaderboards. So we have personal leaderboards and team leaderboards to create a healthy competition amongst employees at OpenBox. So all the employees are basic users, like myself, in demonstrating in the system. So if I click firstly on the personal leaderboard, I can see the number of my name and my surname and the number of goals which I've completed within the system. So for now that is 2 goals. If I click on the team leaderboard, it shows the exact same thing, so it would have my team name and my team goal count. Next, if I click on my goals, this brings us to the CRUD functionality within our system. So I can either add a new goal, and if I look here, I can edit the goal. I can also see the details of that particular goal, and I can also delete the specific goal. So if I click on the button to add a new goal, I can choose the category for the goals. I'll choose wellness, and then I will leave priority at low. I can make the privacy public, and for goal description I would just say meditate daily, and then I will use our calendar feature to select a due date for this goal. So I'll choose the 10th of December, and then if I click the create button, this goal will now show up on my personal goals page. If I go to my leaderboard, it would still show that I've completed 2 goals, which are the 2 goals that are checked here. So if I wanted to say 3, I would just say edit and then mark this goal as completed, save it, and then go back to my leaderboard, and now my goal count is 3 for my completed goals. If I want to just see the details of the goals, I can see what I put into the system and what I've saved. And then to delete the goal, I can just click the delete button. Next, I will click on the My Team item underneath the Activities tab. If I click on Team Goals, I'm taken to the Team Goals page, which is exactly the same as the personal goals page that I showed earlier. If I click on add a new goal, I will be brought to a page where my access is denied. So I am, like I mentioned before, I am the basic user and I do not have functionality to create team goals within the system. The team leader, which we will explain next, has this functionality. So here I am logged into the OpenMind web application.
I'm Shelley and I'm one of the users in the system. I've been assigned the team lead role, which basically gives me more functionality and access to things compared to that of a basic user. If I navigate to the My Team tab, I can click on Team Goals, and this is a page that displays all the completed and non-completed team goals for my specific team. So I won't be able to see team goals pertaining to another team, only my team. So if I would like to create a new team goal, I click on the button and basically fill in this form. So I choose a priority, a description, no social media, and then a due date. And then choose what team I belong to and say create. This new goal would be updated in this table over here for viewing, or I can edit this goal if all of my team members have completed it and check the completed checkbox on behalf of them and say save. I can also simply just view the details of a specific goal I created, and I can delete the goal if it becomes no longer relevant and I don't want to track it anymore. The team leader can then head over to the dashboard and see the progress of the completed goals per goal category. So OpenMind has 3 categories: health, wellness and fitness. So me as a team leader can view this right bar graph over here, and this will basically show how many completed goals my team has. So we've completed 10 fitness goals, 4 wellness and 2 health goals. So this can help me basically motivate my team members to maybe complete more health goals or more wellness goals, because we've only completed 2 and 4 respectively. So this can help enforce balance amongst the goals and not just focus on one type of goal. I can also view the team leaderboards, which will basically show who's in the running for the most completed goals per team. So as of now, my team is in the lead with 16 completed goals. Demolition Crew's at the bottom with only 1. So this will hopefully spark some friendly competition amongst all of the teams. There are 6 teams in the system, so the most teams that can be shown here is 6 teams. Then I can also create team events as well. This is a similar walkthrough as the team goal. So if I want to create a new event, I can simply just fill in the different fields, and this will simply be for viewing. Nothing can be completed with regards to the events. It's just to show what's coming up and what can the OpenBox employees participate in.
Hi, my name is Josh. I'll be going over the super admin functionality of the OpenMind app. So the first thing that the super admin has control over, which is everything, is the managing the user's roles. So the role of a user is automatically set as a basic user. So that's the standard functionality of adding personal goals and being part of the team. And then so the super admin can then go and manage the role of the user like this, and then if they want the user to be a team leader, they can then select, for example, AJ Leeuw, select team leader and then select update, and then once they're a team leader, they'll be able to create goals and events for their team. Basic users can't do this, it's only the team leader. Then the second functionality and control that the super admin has is the managing teams functionality. This is done in a similar way to managing roles, where the super admin selects a user, and if they, like over here, do not have a team, they're able to manage this user and then select of these 6 teams. For example, here, Health Warriors, Slim Tones, they can add the user to, for example, Slim Tones, save that, and then the user is then part of the Slim Tones team, and then when they go over here, they'll be able to see the goals, the team goals, as well as the team events that are scheduled for that specific team. That is the super admin role in a nutshell.